In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put a video on Google Slides. If you've ever found yourself needing to insert a video into your presentation for a more dynamic and engaging experience, you've come to the right place. First things first, let's get you started by heading over to Google Slides. Open up your preferred web browser and type in Google Slides in the search bar. Once the search results are in front of you, click on the link that takes you to the Google Slides platform. If you aren't already signed into your Google account, you'll need to do that first to access your presentations. Look for the sign in button, typically at the top right corner of the page, and enter your credentials, your email and password. This will take you to the Google Slides homepage, which displays all your recent presentations. Now let's create a brand new presentation where you'll insert your video. Right on the homepage you'll see an option to create a blank presentation. Go ahead and click on that. It might take a couple of seconds to load, but soon you'll be in your new presentation, ready to start crafting your slideshow. Next up, it's time to get that video in there. You'll notice a menu bar at the top of your screen with several options. Look for the insert menu option, usually on the left hand side of the menu bar. Click on that and a drop down menu will appear. We're going to find the video option here, so keep your eyes peeled. After clicking insert, you'll see an option labeled video. Click on it. A new window will pop up with different options for adding your video. You can either search for a YouTube video, provide a direct URL, or if you've got the video saved in your Google Drive, just browse and select it from there. Choose the video you want to include and voila, it will appear right there on your slide. Adjust the size by clicking and dragging the corners and position it perfectly with your other content. And there you have it. You've successfully added a video to your Google Slides presentation. Feel free to play it to make sure it looks and sounds just right. And remember, incorporating videos can significantly enhance the appeal and effectiveness of your presentation, making information more accessible and engaging for your audience. So go ahead and give it a try in your next slideshow. Thanks for tuning in and see you in the next video tutorial.